us know about Sir C.V. Raman. But how many of you knew that Chandrasekhara Venkataraman Sir made this day special? I mean very special for us. As being observed today, the National Science Day, the whole nation, on behalf of the amazing contribution of Sir C.V. Raman, observes the National Science Day each year on 28th February since 1987, making today the 35th National Science Day. That means it's a choral anniversary. With the help of the Raman effect, Sir C.V. Raman bagged the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930, being the first Asian to be there. So what is this Raman effect which got him such an honor? The Raman effect is basically the change in the wavelength of light that occurs when a light beam is deflected or scattered. That's the direction gets diverted by molecules. This effect has several applications in our lives. Like the Raman effect, as Raman spectroscopy can analyze a variety of materials including gases, liquids and solids, biological organisms and human tissues too. Just like this Raman effect, there are vast science discoveries and creations. From the past few years, we have evidently developed and still developing more in the field of science and technology. Let our India and the world rock more. A quote by Sir Bertrand Russell: "Science may set limitations to knowledge, but should not set limitations to imagination. Imagine, question, discover and invent more." Let us not waste more time because we have some of our brilliant creators with their wonderful creations waiting. Hello! Once again, Happy National Science Day to one and all. As you all may be aware of, we can improve our scientific thinking skills through games. So here, let us see a wonderful game which also improves our concentration. Watch out! This is our game setup. Just like any other game, it seems easy but hard to do. Here, this game is based on conductors and insulators of electricity. Let's see. To move on the game, we basically have to move the jockey through the whole wire until it reaches the other black end. Let's see. I lost the game. Now the buzzer is sounding as the circuit is complete now. Now let us see one project which has to do something with those crazy magnets. It is based on that light poles deflect. We have a platform on which 4 ring magnets are kept and a pencil on which 2 ring magnets are put. Let's try keeping this pencil on this platform and see what will happen. So as we can see, the pencil levitates in the air without any touch with those magnets. Thank you.
Hello! So today here I am doing an experiment for Science Day. So for that we want a buds and any type of body spray and a normal water. So first we can take the buds and spray it up. Yes. So it's enough. And put it in the normal water and see the reaction. Look, the bubbles are coming from the buds. Okay, I think you see in it, right? Yes. So it is my experiment. It is super easy and simple, small experiment, and you can also do it in your home. So that's it. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Arjun Suresh. I'm studying in 5th standard. Here I would like to share a few words about my project, rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the simple process or technology used to conserve water by storing, collecting, conveying and purifying of rainwater that ran off from rooftops, roads, parks, open ground, etc. for later use. We can see how does it work. Collect the rainwater from the rooftop. Let the water drain through the filtration tank. Filtered water gets collected in the harvesting tank. From there, the water goes to the recharge pit or well. It improves the quality and quantity of groundwater. The technology is relatively simply easy to install and operate. It reduces soil erosion, stormwater runoff, flooding, and pollution of surface water with fertilizers, pesticide, metal, and other sediments. Thank you.
Hi, today I am going to do an experiment called changing the color of the water. First, we have to add some turmeric powder to the water. Mix it well. Now we can see that the water became to yellow. Now we have to add some detergent to it. Mix it well. We can see that the color of the water changed to yellow, red. Next, we have to add 1 lemon. Mix it well. We can see that the color of the water changed to yellow again. Thank you. Now this was my experiment.
See, we got very beautiful color. Now I'm going to arrange these glasses into acid and base orders. Vinegar and lemon juice is pink and magenta color, so it's acidic. This is sugar solution. Baking powder solution is blue color, so it's base. Sanitizer is a violet color, so it's base. And bleaching solution is green color, so it's base. My next experiment with cabbage is cleanest. For that we need red cabbage and red cabbage juice. Add the red cabbage juice to the egg white. Now let's see if the egg turns green.
Whoa! Green.
Now my green eggs are ready for Tyson.
Hey guys, so today I'll be doing an experiment. So all you gotta do is you gotta take a jar, then one egg, then some vinegar. So put the egg in the jar. Then what you do is, so pour the vinegar until the egg is submerged. Okay, that's it. See guys, it's so amazing. Vinegar is an acid and the eggshell will absorb it and it will dissolve in the vinegar. So let's see in 24 hours. See guys, the bubble on the egg is carbon dioxide. Is an acetic acid which reacts to the eggshell, which is calcium carbonate, which turns into calcium acetate. So take a bowl of water and gently take the egg, okay? Do not crack it, okay? See, it's kind of big. Okay, I put it in. So now you rub it, okay? I see that. Wow. So you gotta rub, okay? Okay, slowly. See, that's so amazing. See, this is now transparent.
This is Sri Vijay from 6A, and this is my model about types of motions, and I'm using these toys for an example and you can better understand. So what is motion? Motion is a change of position of an object with time, and we have three different motions here. There are a lot of different motions, but I'm covering these three. Rectilinear motion, that's first motion. The motion of a body along a straight line is called rectilinear motion. For this example, we have this car, and when this car is moving in a straight line, it is a rectilinear motion. Next motion, circular motion. The motion of a body along the circular path is called circular motion. For this example, I have the spinner. I spin it, it's spinning in a circular motion. Next motion is periodic motion. The motion of a body which repeats itself after every regular interval of time is called periodic motion. For this, I have two examples. The first is the pendulum. When I move this, it's repeating at every interval of time and it's moving. The next example is the Earth and the Sun in the solar system. And when the Earth is revolving around rotating around the Sun, it is a periodic motion. And also, when the Earth is revolving around its own axis, it's also a circular motion. Thank you.
Harry,
Today I'll be demonstrating the difference between conductors and insulators. Here I have fixed an aluminium piece in between the batteries in a remote. Let's see if they will work. As you can see, they worked because aluminium is a conductor of electricity. Now, instead of the aluminium piece, I have kept a sponge piece between the batteries. Now let's see if the TV will on. As you can see, the TV didn't on. This is because sponge is an insulator and it doesn't allow electricity to pass through it.
Hari Om. Today I am doing an experiment. I have 1 jar of water, 2 lemons of same size, 5 teaspoons of salt, 2 jars of same size. I pour water to the jars. I had poured 5 cups of water to each jar. I put the first lemon to the first jar. It sinks. To the next jar, I pour salt. Mix till it's completely dissolved. Put the next lemon to the salty water. It does not sink. The lemon is floating because the density of salty water is greater than the density of lemon. In the first jar, the density of lemon is greater than the density of water. Thank you.
Hari Om. I am here to show an activity that proves light travel on a straight line. So we can start. Now we have 2 papers. We can take the first one and fold it like this. So it's a straight. The another paper we can fold like this and make a bend here. So now we can look through this. First we can try with the bent paper. We can't see anything because light only travels in a straight path. Now we can try with the other paper. This activity show us and prove us light travels on a straight path.
Hari Om. I am the VP Arun of 7C. He is standing before you to conduct a simple experiment to prove that when the water is more denser, the objects, whether heavier or lighter, float on its top. So let's start our experiment. For this experiment, we require 2 glasses. Fill both the glasses with equal amounts of water. Then take 2 spoons of salt and put it in the water. Note that you should mix the salt and water with spoon till the solution becomes saturated. Okay, now take 2 lemons of approximately equal size. So, what happens when we put a lemon in a normal glass? It sinks, we can see. But when we put it in this glass, we can see that the lemon floats on its top. So, from this experiment, we can conclude that when the water is more denser due to its increased salt content, the objects float on its top. Thank you and happy National Science Day.
Hari Om.
Hello everybody, I am here to show you how we can make a simple and an instant stethoscope with the help of an oxygen mask. We can move to the video.
Hello, today I am presenting a small science experiment, egg with salt water. I added 2 glass of water in equally. Add 3 teaspoons of salt into 1 glass. Mix it well. Mix it well. Wait 1 minute. Put 2 eggs into 2 glasses. See the difference in 2 glasses. In this water, the egg is up in water. In the plain water, the egg is under the water. Thank you.